Hello students, standard 8th we started chapter 9 algebraic expressions and identities. In the beginning we learn what are the algebraic expressions, what are the terms, factors, coefficient of the terms. Then we learn the types of the polynomials like monomial, binomial, trinomial, and in general polynomial. Then we learn about the like terms and unlike terms, and also how to add or subtract the given polynomials. Now on that base, now we are going to start the exercise 9.1. Question number 1 is identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions. For each of the following expressions. So now one by one we will take them and write down the terms and their coefficients. First is 5xyz square minus 3zy. So here the first expression is given as 5xyz square and minus 3zy. So now obviously here there are two terms. So here we will write down terms and coefficient. So the first term is 5xyz square. Now we know that what is coefficient means? The numerical factor of the term. Means whatever the number, constant number is as a factor. So here you can see that 5 is the coefficient. So 5 is the coefficient. Then the second one, the other term is minus 3zy. Don't forget the minus sign. So here, otherwise if you write down 3zy, then your coefficient will be 3 and you will lose the mark. So here the second term is minus 3zy. So the coefficient is minus 3. Second, 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. So terms and coefficient. So now here also we will write down all the terms one by one, and against it its coefficient. There are 3 terms, so we can make 3 boxes for them. So now the first term is 1 and it is a constant term, so you can say 1 itself is the coefficient. Second term is x. Now before x no number is there, but we know that 1 is the factor of all of them, and therefore its coefficient is also 1. And the last term is x square, and it also does not have any number, but 1 is there, so you can't write down there is no coefficient, because when there is nothing, 1 is there, invisible. So we can say that 1 is the coefficient of that last term. Third one is 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. So here also there are 1, 2 and 3 terms. So term and coefficient. So now we will write down one by one the terms and their coefficient. So first term is 4x square y square. Second term is minus 4x square y square z square, and the third term is z square. So here number 4 is there, so coefficient is 4. In the second term minus 4 is there, so minus 4 is the coefficient, and in the last term z square, nothing there, so 1 is the coefficient of it. Fourth, 3 minus PQ plus QR minus RP. So there are 4 terms here. So terms and coefficient. One, 2, 3 and 4. First term is 3. So 3 itself is the coefficient. Second term is minus PQ. Now here there is no number. So what should be the coefficient? 1? No, because there is negative sign also. So minus 1 is the coefficient. Third term is plus QR. So 1 is the coefficient, and last term is minus RP. So here also the minus 1 is the coefficient. Fifth one is x upon 2 plus y upon 2 minus xy. Here there are 3 terms. So now here you can see that terms are like that: x upon 2, y upon 2 and minus xy. Now here x upon 2, it means that 1 by 2 multiplied by x. Here 1 is not seen. So what is the coefficient of this term? It will be 1 upon 2. You can't write down x upon 2, or you cannot write down 2 only in the denominator. So 1 by 2. Here also same thing. 1 by 2 is the coefficient, and in the last one, that is minus 1, is the coefficient. Now there is last sixth one also there. I think you can write down yourself. It is very simple. Just you have to write down whatever the number, it is in the point, but it can be in the point also. So whatever is there, 0.3 minus 0.6 and 0.5 will be the coefficient of that terms. Now question number 2. Classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials and trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these categories? So here some polynomials are given. We have to classify, check whether it is in the monomial category, binomial or in trinomial. And if it does not fit, we will write down at the end. So here we will check one by one that which are that polynomials and write down at appropriate column. Here I already made 3 columns: monomials, binomials and trinomials. So one by one we will take and we will put in the appropriate box. So first one is x plus y. Now x plus y, how many terms are there? 2 terms, x and y. So it comes in the binomial. So we will write down here x plus y. One by one we will take. Second one is 1000, only 1000. Is it a polynomial? Yes, constant polynomial having only one term. So one term, it means it belongs to monomial. So in monomial we will write down 1000. Next is x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. Here you can see that there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. So it will not belong to any category. So that one we will write down at last. So just keep it there. When we finish with all that, then we will write down that these polynomials do not fit. Next is 7 plus y plus 5x. 7 plus y plus 5x. How many terms are there? You can see that 1, 2 and 3 terms. So it is trinomial. So 7 plus y plus 5x. After that 2y minus 3y square. So here also there are 2 terms of binomial. So 2y minus 3y square. Next is 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. One another is added. The first 2 terms are same. 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. So it have 1, 2 and 3. So we can write down in trinomial 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. The next 5x minus 4y. 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. So here we can see that there are 1, 2 and 3 terms. So it becomes trinomial. So 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. Then 4z minus 15z square. 1 and 2 terms. So it's binomial. 4z minus 15z square. Then next AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. So we will keep that one also at the side so that we can write down at the last with this one. So that 2 are still remaining. We have to write it down. Then after that only PQR. Now generally sometimes students say that there are 1, 2 and 3, so it is a trinomial. But terms are separated only by adding or subtraction. But here they are multiplied, so it is a one term. So it is only a single term. So it is a monomial. So PQR will be a monomial. Then P square Q plus PQ square. So 1 and 2 terms. So binomial. P square Q plus PQ square. And the last 2P plus 2Q. 2 terms. So it comes here 2P plus 2Q. So now just the 2 are not fitting. So we can write down at the last the polynomials. The polynomials x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4 and AB plus BC plus CD plus DA do not fit in any of the 3 categories, because it have 4 terms and we have knowledge only up to trinomials, means 3 terms. So it does not fit in any of these 3 categories. So we write it down as the, like we cannot fit it here. So here we are going to finish this session. Will be followed by PDF, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.